I love you.
I'm sorry. I know I'm sorry. I know I'm really sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
Say meow.
Hi. Hey, Mama's baby girl. You are? Are you a pretty girl? Meow if you're pretty. Oh, you're the prettiest girl.
Stay still so I can check you. Meow, 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 meow.
Meow meow what?
You have to lie still so I can check if you're sick.
Kelly!
Said what?
She say what? Do you hear it? Hey!
السلام عليكم. واه
We meet this cat again.
كيف حالك؟
Let's listen to his tone when he speaks
الحمد
Arabic.
لله.
Are you hungry? How about some tuna?
أيوة.
Yes? Mama catnip.
You're not okay? Did I hurt you? I'm sorry.
Steve, it's bedtime. Steve, bedtime. Bedtime. Steve, you know it's bedtime.
Alright, he's usually not this bad in the morning, but today is exceptional. Krieger, why are you so mad? I've never heard that noise come out of you.
You not gonna get in?
Why not?
Food, medicine, treats, love, grooming, catnip. Grooming.
Oh, you want grooming? You're so darn cute. I love you.
السلام عليكم. واه كيف
From
حالك؟
the sound of their laughter, I can tell
الحمد
this
لله.
cat speaks
يا عيال
Arabic.
كيف تسولف فيها؟
Listen, you've been out, then you've come in your clean litter tray, and now you're wanting back out? What do you mean you know? What did you just say?
Hajime. Hajime.
Hey, Stinky. I'm about to get in bed. I'm coming. Okay. Can I take my shoes off? Is that fine with you? Huh? Making biscuits? Yeah?
Arrête!
Mon petit cœur.
What's the matter? What's the matter? Do you want to go out? You go out?
Say meow.
Stay still so I can check you.
Meow, 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 oh meow.
Now what? You have to lie still so I can check if you're sick.
I'm trying to give you more. You don't want more? No.
No. No. No. Sure, I'll pet you. But no treats.
Talkative dude. Oops, you caught me. I was just complaining about bath time.
It's bedtime. Yeah, it's bedtime. You have to go to your own bed. Because you're gonna keep me up all night. Yes, you are. You do it every time. Are you gonna go to sleep? Okay, I'll let you stay here. Yeah, I'll let you stay if you promise to not keep me up all night.
Let me finish eating first, then I get you some food, okay? Whoa, what? You have to wait until I finish eating before you can eat! Yeah.
Surely, Mom heard me calling. I want to come in with her.
Stay there so I can check you, okay? Go for what? You have to lie still so I can check if you're sick.
Berlin. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
I'm starting to think that stray cats often know languages to communicate and get food.
Hello. Hi.